Hey, and welcome to another episode of Linux and Code. Today we're going over how to install a video editor on Linux. In this case, we're doing it on ElementaryOS, but any Debian-based OS will work. Let's get to it. So the video editor we're going to be going with today is called Lightworks because it has a lot of features, and it does have a pro version if you want to upgrade, but it has a free version out of the box. So first we're going to go open up a web browser, and we're just going to look for Lightworks. And then we're just gonna go get Lightworks for Linux. And since we're on a Debian-based operating system, we're just gonna get the deb and save it. And we can see here that it's complete. So now let's open up the terminal, hop over to our downloads folder, and we're gonna run sudo dpackage-i for install. Let's double check what that file name was, Lightworks. So we start typing and we get our autocomplete. Put in our sudo user's password. And you see we get a couple of errors because we're missing a couple of packages. Now that's not a big deal. We can install them quite easily. First, let's find them. We'll look for this lib pingo to make sure that we can find it correctly. Okay, it looks like it's just that directly at 1.0 that it listed up above. And the other one was this nvidia CG toolkit, so let's see if we have that. Okay, that's also pretty straightforward. So we'll get these two packages that we're missing. We'll just copy paste. Because nobody likes typos, right? Let that work. We get another error. If you get this error, you may not, it'll depend on your system. But you can run apt fix broken to see if that'll take care of it for you. Okay, after a typo or two, we're here to get these packages fixed. And let's just make sure that we actually have these packages. All right, we've got libpango and we've got nvidia CG toolkit. Now we can actually install Lightworks again, dpackage-i Lightworks. And it's installed, so let's go ahead and fire it up. And there you have it. That's how to install Lightworks on ElementaryOS or any other Debian-based operating system. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with anything else you'd like to see, and have a great day.